Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Suha's English podcast. I hope you are doing well today. I am Suha.
Hi everyone, I am Lena. We are so happy you are here with us again.
Lena, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling good and relaxed. What about you, Suha?
I am good too, but honestly, I am a little hungry.
Again, you're always hungry when we record.
Maybe because we always talk about interesting things, and today is even better.
Now I am curious, what are we doing today?
Today, we're imagining that we're going to a restaurant together and we will practice real English you can use in that situation.
That's very useful. Many people understand English, but when they go to a restaurant, they feel nervous.
Exactly. So let's imagine we just arrived. We walk in, we smile, and we say good evening.
The host looks at us and asks, how many people?
And we answer calmly, a table for two, please.
We follow them to the table, sit down, and give us the menu.
I always say thank you, and then I start looking at the menu carefully.
Same here. Sometimes the menu has many options and I can't decide.
Yes, and when the waiter comes to quickly and asks, are you ready to order?
I smile and say, not yet. Can we have a few more minutes, please?
That sentence is very important. It gives you time and helps you relax.
After a few minutes, I feel ready. The waiter comes back and asks again.
This time I say confidently, yes, I would like the grilled chicken with rice, please.
That sounds good. I think I will say, can I have the pasta with white sauce, please?
Then they ask about drinks.
I usually say, I will have a glass of water, please.
And I might say, I will have a fresh orange juice.
Sometimes they ask, would you like anything else?
And we simply answer, no, that's all for now. Thank you.
After a few minutes, the food arrives. It looks amazing.
I take my first bite and say, wow, this is delicious.
I taste mine and say, it's really good. I like it.
But let's imagine something is wrong. Maybe the food is cold.
In that case, we don't get angry. We stay polite.
Yes, we say, excuse me, I'm sorry, but this is a little cold.
Or, excuse me, I think there is a mistake. I ordered chicken, not beef.
Yes, Lena, being polite makes a big difference.
After we finish eating, I feel full, but still want something sweet.
You always have space for dessert?
Of course, when they ask, would you like some desserts?
You say,
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
and maybe they suggest chocolate cake.
Then I say, that sounds perfect. I would like a piece of chocolate cake, please.
I might choose something lighter and say, I will have some ice cream.
After dessert, we feel happy and satisfied.
When we're ready to leave, I look around and say, excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
They bring the bell, and I ask, can I pay by card?
Everything was good. I like to say, everything was great. Thank you.
And before leaving, we always say, thank you, have a nice evening.
See, going to a restaurant in English is not difficult.
You just need simple sentences and confidence.
Exactly. And remember, you don't need complicated grammar. Short and polite sentences are enough.
Yes, even saying please and thank you makes a big difference.
And don't be afraid of your accent. The most important thing is communication. Lena, let's quickly review what we practiced today.
Yes, when you arrive, you can say a table for two, please.
If you need time, you can say, can we have a few more minutes?
When ordering, you can say I would like or can I have.
If there is a problem, say excuse me and explain politely.
And at the end, can we have the bill, please?
See, step by step, from the door to the desserts.
Suha, I feel like we really want a restaurant today.
Me too. Now I am even more hungry.
Maybe after a garden, we should actually do eights.
That's a great idea. But before we finish, let's quickly remember what we practiced today.
Yes, a small recap will help everyone feel more confident.
First, we'll learn how to enter a restaurant and ask for a table.
Yes, like a table for two, please.
Good, Lena. Then, when we needed more time, we said,
We can say, can we have a few more minutes, please?
after that, we practiced how to order food politely.
I would like the grilled chicken, please.
Or, can I have the pasta, please?
We also learned how to order drinks.
Yes, I remember. I will have a glass of water.
And how to react when the food is good.
Like, it's delicious, it's really good.
And very important, how to complain politely.
Like, excuse me, I'm sorry, but this is a little cold.
That expression, excuse me, makes you sound respectful and calm.
We also learned useful restaurant words like menu, order, bell, desserts, and recommend.
For example, what do you recommend?
Yes, exactly. So, today we practiced the real life English from the moment we walked into the restaurant.
Until we asked for the bill and left confidently.
See, going to our restaurants in English is easy. Don't wait to be perfect. Practice small phrases like this every day.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
So, before we finish, we want to ask you something.
Tell us, what do you usually order at a restaurant?
And what is your favorite dessert?
Write a simple comment in English. Even one short sentence is perfect.
Don't worry about mistakes. This is your safe space to practice.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel.
Like the video and share it with a friend or family member who wants to improve their English.
Learning is easier when we learn together.
Yes, thank you for listening to Suha's English podcast. Step by step, no stress. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.